Teeth are the only exposed bones in the body, and just as if a bone breaks, it'll heal, teeth can heal.
Did you know that your teeth have the incredible ability to heal naturally, just like a broken bone? But for this to happen, they need the right conditions, and the secret might lie in a natural oil that is probably already in your kitchen, coconut oil.
Holistic Dental is a book written by Nadine Artemis. She presents some fascinating things, which are the only exposed bone in our body, and they should not be deteriorating. And if they do have a little decay, they have the ability to heal themselves, as every other body tissue does.
This revolutionary technique, called oil pulling, is not just another passing trend. It is an ancient practice, proven by modern science and recommended by experts like Barbara O'Neill. In addition to preventing cavities, it helps remove toxins, strengthen teeth, and even improve breath, all in a simple and accessible way. But that is not all. Did you know that your teeth are constantly bathed by two superfluids that can determine your oral health? These fluids, internal and external, play a crucial role in nourishing, cleaning, and regenerating teeth. The quality of these fluids directly depends on your daily habits, such as your diet, hydration, and even the level of stress you face. In this video, you will discover what these superfluids are and how they help regenerate teeth, how coconut oil can be used to protect and heal your teeth through the oil pulling technique, which foods to avoid and which to consume to keep teeth strong and gums healthy. If you are tired of expensive treatments and want a natural approach to protect and strengthen your teeth, stay with me until the end of this video. I will share everything you need to know to transform your oral health in a practical and efficient way. Now that you know what to expect from this video, let us start with the basics, understanding how the body's superfluids directly influence your teeth's health and how you can improve their quality simply and practically. According to Barbara O'Neill, the health of your teeth depends on two essential superfluids: internal fluids and external fluids. Internal fluids, such as blood and lymph, play an essential role in oral health, nourishing the teeth from the inside out. Blood is responsible for transporting nutrients, oxygen, and water, as well as bringing white blood cells that fight infections and aid in the healing process. Lymph acts as a cleansing system, removing toxins and waste accumulated in tissues. Together, these two internal fluids ensure that teeth receive the necessary nutrition and that toxins are eliminated, creating the ideal conditions for the natural regeneration of teeth. However, the quality of these fluids depends on healthy daily habits, such as a nutritious diet, proper hydration, regular exercise, and restorative sleep. External fluids, on the other hand, are represented by saliva, which is the first line of defense for teeth. Saliva is essential to maintain the pH balance of the mouth, neutralizing acids that can erode enamel and promoting a healthy oral environment. In addition, it helps eliminate food debris and provides minerals that strengthen teeth, such as calcium and phosphate. For saliva to perform its function effectively, it is essential to keep the body hydrated, as a lack of water can reduce its production and compromise its effectiveness. By ensuring that both internal and external fluids are in optimal condition, you create a natural system of protection and regeneration for your teeth. If internal and external fluids are of high quality, your teeth will have the ideal conditions to regenerate. However, if the quality of these fluids is poor due to an inadequate diet, dehydration, or stress, the healing ability of your teeth will be compromised. Now that you understand the importance of superfluids in tooth regeneration, it is time to talk about how to keep your mouth clean and healthy. According to Barbara O'Neill, proper oral hygiene is essential to prevent the accumulation of bacteria and debris that can cause cavities and weaken tooth enamel. One of the simplest, yet often overlooked steps is rinsing after meals. Whenever you eat, food particles can get trapped between your teeth. If not removed, these particles begin to decay, creating the perfect environment for harmful bacteria. These bacteria, as they feed on the debris, release acidic substances that corrode tooth enamel. Rinsing your mouth immediately after each meal helps to prevent this process. For even more effective results, you can use plain water, a solution of baking soda with water, or even seawater, which Barbara recommends for its natural cleaning and pH balancing properties. Another essential practice is using dental floss. As Barbara highlighted, only floss the teeth you want to keep. This underscores the importance of removing debris and bacteria from areas that a toothbrush cannot reach. Flossing before bed is especially important since bacteria have more time to act and cause damage while you sleep. By keeping your teeth clean before going to bed, you prevent bacteria from turning your mouth into an environment conducive to dental deterioration. In addition to these basic practices, there is a powerful and natural technique that Barbara O'Neill recommends: oil pulling with coconut oil. This ancient practice involves swishing coconut oil in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the oil acts like a magnet, pulling toxins, bacteria, and debris from the teeth, tongue, and hard-to-clean areas. Coconut oil is particularly effective in this technique because it contains lauric acid, known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. By performing oil pulling regularly, you not only protect your teeth from cavities and gingivitis, but also promote fresh breath and help whiten teeth naturally. The practice is simple. Just take a teaspoon of coconut oil and swish it gently, allowing the oil to coat your entire mouth. During the process, avoid swallowing the oil, as it will be loaded with toxins and debris. After 15 to 20 minutes, spit the oil into a trash can, never into the sink, to prevent clogs. Rinse your mouth with warm water to remove any oil residue, and then brush your teeth as usual. Performing oil pulling daily, preferably in the morning, can bring incredible benefits to oral health. This combination of simple practices, rinsing, flossing, and oil pulling, can transform your oral health. In addition to preventing issues like cavities and gingivitis, these habits create the ideal conditions for your teeth to regenerate and strengthen naturally. With oral hygiene under control, let us now explore another fundamental pillar for dental health: nutrition. What you eat can be your greatest ally or your worst enemy in the quest for stronger, healthier teeth. Now that you understand the importance of oral hygiene and practices like oil pulling, it is time to talk about something equally crucial: nutrition. What you eat not only affects your overall health, but also directly influences the condition of your teeth and gums. Barbara O'Neill explains that the foods we consume can either strengthen or weaken our teeth. Sugars and processed foods, for instance, are major enemies of oral health. When we consume sugar, it serves as food for the bacteria in our mouths. These bacteria produce acids that erode tooth enamel, increasing the risk of cavities and other dental issues. Sugary and acidic drinks, such as sodas, are even more harmful as they combine sugar with acids that further weaken the enamel. On the other hand, some foods act as powerful allies in maintaining strong and healthy teeth. A classic example is the apple. This fruit not only helps clean teeth during chewing, but also strengthens the jaw and gums thanks to its crunchy texture. Barbara also highlights other raw vegetables, such as carrots, celery, and cucumber, which require more vigorous chewing. This effort strengthens the jaw muscles, stimulates saliva production, and helps remove food debris from the tooth surface. In addition, including fresh salads in your daily diet is an excellent way to ensure your body receives the nutrients necessary to maintain healthy teeth. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals, such as calcium and phosphorus, are essential for strengthening tooth enamel. Moreover, a diet rich in fiber promotes good digestion, which is directly linked to oral health. Barbara also reminds us of the importance of introducing crunchy foods from childhood. For children, chewing raw carrots or apples contributes to the proper development of jaws and gums. It also prepares the dental arch for the arrival of permanent teeth. She even mentions how breastfeeding plays an essential role in this process. The effort a baby makes to nurse strengthens facial muscles, helps shape the palate, and prepares the jaw for the healthy growth of teeth. It is important to remember that hydration also plays a vital role. Saliva, one of the superfluids that protect teeth, relies on water intake to function effectively. Without adequate hydration, saliva loses its ability to neutralize acids and protect enamel. Therefore, by choosing nutritious foods and maintaining good hydration, you are not only nourishing your body but also creating the ideal conditions for stronger and healthier teeth. Small changes in your eating habits can have a significant impact on your oral health in the long term. With this information, you now know how to adjust your diet to strengthen your teeth and prevent problems. Now, let us move to the conclusion, where we will summarize the main tips and make a special invitation for you to transform your oral health once and for all. We have reached the end of this video, and now you have all the tools needed to transform your oral health naturally and effectively. From understanding the importance of the superfluids that nourish and protect your teeth to adopting simple practices like oil pulling with coconut oil and proper oral hygiene, you have seen that taking care of your teeth does not have to be complicated or expensive. Additionally, we have learned how nutrition plays a crucial role. Avoiding sugars and acidic foods while including crunchy fruits, raw vegetables, and salads in your diet can make a huge difference in the strength and health of your teeth. It is not just about avoiding dental problems, but about creating the conditions for your teeth to truly strengthen and regenerate. The main message here is that your teeth have the ability to heal, but to achieve this, they need proper care and conditions. As Barbara O'Neill highlighted, simple daily habits combined with a balanced diet and natural practices like oil pulling can deliver surprising results. If you enjoyed this video and believe this information can help others, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends and family. And do not forget to comment below. Have you tried any of these tips? Or do you have another natural practice you use to take care of your oral health? We would love to hear about your experience. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video with more tips to transform your health and well-being in a simple and natural way.